In this video, you'll learn how to make the In-N-Out special sauce. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help. Okay, so this video is not to make the burger, just the sauce. If you want to see the full video on the burger, click below. And as always, we leave the recipe in the description. Okay, what you're going to need is 1/3 cup of mayo, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and all you do is put it in a bowl and mix it up. Congratulations, you now know how to make the In-N-Out special sauce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.